Okay, in this video, we're going to use recursive sequences to model how a credit card debt changes over time. So this is in Modeling Finance with Recursive Sequences worksheet. We'll go over the solutions for the first three problems in class. So I'm going to scroll down to number 4. So I want to analyze number 4 with a series of videos. So if you have got credit card debt of $500, so you have $500 of a credit card that charges 22% annual interest rate, compounded monthly, and you're going to pay $35 a month towards your credit card debt. You're not going to put any other charges on this credit card until you pay it down. So the first thing we want to do is write a recursive sequences that models how your credit card balance changes from month to month. So I'm going to write a recursive sequence that models your debt. I'm going to go insert equation, if I want to type this in equation mode, and I'm going to do a subscript parentheses n plus 1, close parentheses, push the space bar, and so this term tells us the next month's balance, and that equals a sub n. And remember, on these recursive sequences for finance, we always have an a sub n because that represents the previous month or year or day's balance, depending on how the money is being compounded. And then we have to add interest. The credit card is going to charge you 22%, 0.22, but that's annual and compounded monthly. So I'm going to divide that by 12, and I click on the space bar to make it look like a fraction, and then times a sub n. So again, looking at this a sub n is your previous month's credit card balance, and then the 0.22 over 12 times a sub n is the interest the credit card is going to pay you, and then you are going to pay $35 to reduce your debt. So we're going to put a minus 35 right here because we're going to take $35 off your debt each month. And then a recursive sequence also has an initial condition. So I'm going to go back to insert equation, type a subscript 0, and this is your initial balance, and you initially owe $500. Okay, in the next video, we're going to enter this sequence into Excel to answer the next couple of questions.